If you can talk, what are you going to say to the camera? Huh? Hello. Pedro is drinking some rose hip tea. Look.
He likes the lemon.
He loves his lemon. Yum yum. Hey baby P, come on. There's nothing in it anymore. Yum? Ooh. Sour? That is Pedro's morning tea. Hey? Your lemongrass and ginger rose hip tea, aren't you, Pedro? You love it. With lemon. He loves his lemon.
Look, he drank a whole thimbleful at least.
Mm-hmm. That's probably his medicine, isn't it? Hey, Pedro, is that your medicine?
You like that, don't you, baby P?
Hey! Yummy? Is that yummy? Look at you. You still got shit on your face and Daddy's drinking your tea now, Pedro. That's your tea, isn't it? Okay, I'll leave you alone. Okay, sorry. Hello, baby P. You like your green? Huh? You like your palm tree. So this palm tree is not poisonous to birds. So I specifically bought it for Pedro to chew on because he likes his trees. And you already killed a couple of them before, mature growing ones that I've had growing for years. For years and years and years I've had it. And then, where are you? And you killed it, but then now you got a new one, aren't you? Yeah. Okay, come on. Yeah, yeah. Hey, come on. Come here. Look. He's just on my shoulder here. Hello. Hey, you want to say hello? Come on, here. Go. You're scared. But if I stop him from going there, he wants to go. Okay.
Kiss, kiss. Puppy, don't pee pee. Don't you puppy pee pee pee? Hey, kiss pee pee pee. Don't pee pee pee. Hey, puppy pee pee pee. Did you make me such a bird? We got it. You sexy boy. We could put you pee. You sexy body, put you. Thanks, Parrot. Would you be so close to worship on it? I said it well. I'm not talking about this. You can't ever try to picture. What you have stepped up to the film people. I can't hear this crash. You could do it. You can't have it strangers. Look at Pedro.
You're gonna sleep there, baby P.
You won't be on that's not see. You stay. That's a real kiss. I like strap. Look at baby. Look at baby. Look at her. That's a puppy me. When you need to be my sexy boy. You miss Mommy Pedro. What's it done? Hey, let me pee. Mommy give it to him. Let me baby bird. What's that doing? Pedro.
You want a kiss? Oh, good boy. That's a big kiss. Huh? You gonna go to sleep now? Huh? Go beddy time? Beddy time, baby P? You don't want to sleep yet, don't you? Huh? Pedro, go to sleep now. It's late. Look at the time. It's 9:30, Pedro. It's past your bedtime. You want to go to sleep now, baby P? Huh? Go to sleep, huh? Come on. Come on. Come on, baby P. Come on. Come on. Look, doesn't want to go to bed. Come on. Let's go. Mommy, go. Come on. Look at one leg. Hey, he's like, I'm so happy here. Why do you want me to come on? Let's go to bed. Go to bed. Come, baby P. Come on. You don't want to go. Come on. Come. Come. See? Come, Pedro. Come on, Pedro. Go to. Come on, baby P. Look, big tum tum, tum tum, baby bird. Come on, baby P. Come on, baby. Oh my goodness. Come on. Cutie cutie bum bum, you look. Cutie cutie bum bum. Even the cutie cutie bum bum, you're gonna touch that. Look. Oh. Oh. You let mommy touch the cutie cutie bum bum. Okay, come on, let's go. Come on. Let's go. If he doesn't want to go to bed, aren't you? You're stubborn, hey? You're stubborn. Come on. Come on, baby bird. Look, mommy touch cutie bum bum. Mommy touch cutie bum bum. He doesn't like his tail feather being touched because it's like, I know. Come on. There you go. Good boy. Let's go to bed now, okay? Night, night. Give mommy kiss, kiss. Oh, you don't want to go to bed. Night, night, Pedro. Go to bed now, baby P. Go to bed, Pedro. Go to sleep now, okay. Go to sleep, my Pedro. Oh, look at that. Come on. Go to bed. Come on. Come. Oh, good boy. Night, night, baby P. Kiss, kiss. Hey, kiss, kiss. You want to tickle, tickle? Hey, tickle, tickle, baby P. Tickle, 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 tickle. Hey, mommy tickle, tickle, Pedro. No, you're not interested. Hey, come on, kiss, kiss. You're not interested. Okay, no more. Okay. Good night. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite.